Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure accident insurance with Mutual of Omaha, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring accident insurance with Mutual of Omaha, you'll first want to visit their official website. Look for the Insurance tab on the home page. Once you find it, click on it to explore the various insurance options available. Scroll down to locate the Accident Insurance section. Click on that link to read more about the specifics of their accident insurance policies. Take your time to review the coverage benefits and policy details. Next, locate the Get a Quote button, which typically appears prominently on the page. Click on the button to initiate the quote process. You will be prompted to enter some basic information about yourself, such as your name, age, and location. Provide accurate details to ensure the quote reflects your actual risk profile. Once you've filled in your personal information, click the Continue button. The next page will present different coverage options based on your input. Review the coverage amounts and premiums associated with each option. Select the policy that best suits your needs and click on Select or Continue. You may be asked to provide additional information, such as your employment status or health history. Fill in the required fields to proceed. After submitting your additional information, you'll be review all details carefully, ensuring everything is accurate. If everything looks good, proceed to finalize your application. You may be required to create an online account or log in if you already have one. Follow the prompts to set up your account if necessary. Once logged in, you can finalize your insurance configuration. You may need to enter payment information to activate your policy. Verify your payment details before submitting. After your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation email with your policy documents. Make sure to save these documents for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.